people are not confused. Lots of people are not confused for themselves. They're not able to believe on themselves. So you know why? Yes, guys. So let me tell you now that because of negativity, if you will think negative, guys, so obviously you will get negative. It is say that, guys, our mind is just like field. When you think something, that's same way. You know, if a farmer can constantly use a field, so automatically grass will come. Exactly, you have to understand that, guys. If you will not give up positive things, then you will be negative. Try to make yourself more positive. You know, guys, you have to must be dedicated for your aim. Neither it is not possible. You know, guys, according to the self-fulfilling prophecy, it's a result. It's a result. It says that if a human thinks something, so he can get 95%. It's the chance that he can get 95%, and there's only 5% chance that he can't achieve that. So you have to be positive. Always be positive, guys. Try to focus on your opportunity. You all are here. Maybe if I would give you 100 rupees, then maybe a lot of people would be acting as you always say that yes, I can get it. But maybe if you all that, maybe somebody come here, maybe snap. Exactly. You have to don't think that I will snap the opportunity. You have to come here. You have to get it. Like it will be your life for your aim. Guys, you know, sometimes what I mean, there are lots of people I may think that I can't do this work. It's so tough. No, you're not. Guys, don't think like the poor. They put the study, the low-minded. If you think, so let me give you some sentences. Guys, you have heard the name of Rajnikant? A bus conductor can become the superstar in the film. I'm talking about Rajnikant. A business student can become the and got the novel in this world. I'm talking about APJ Abdul Kalam. A suicide student can become the president of America. I'm talking about Lincoln. So why not you? Why do you think that? If a food sailor can become the Asia's top number 1 richest person, then why not you? Yes, you all can also. Only you have to dedication, and yes, I can do. I stop thinking that what is a toxic word. No, what is a toxic word? Means now people can say that I can't do this word. You know what is the meaning of can't? Let me tell you. If you say that I can't do this word, so turn your can't into can and it brings into plan. You have to always say that. If you say can't, so turn that you can and it brings into plan. Yes, guys, you want to get the real dreams, so you have to make your plan. You know, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has said that if you want to achieve your aim, so dream is not something which you are seeing or sleeping. Dream is something which doesn't let you sleep. So you have to must be better on your work, not your result. Not result, guys. Be better on your work. If you focus on your work, then you will get your result. Guys, a very small sentence guys is in the Sanskrit that करने वालों का से माफ करे तो कदाचन. You know, guys, what that means? That is in the Bhagavad Gita that you have to must be better on your work, not your result. So try to be positive in your life. And last, I would tell guys that you are don't think negative. Be positive. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, think once. Please close your eyes and think once that much you are wrong. How much you think? No, you are not wrong. You have to think positive. See your strength, and then you can do. Right now, so be positive.